Welcome back. Once we have set up the autoresponder stage, we can then move on to the advanced settings. Now, just so as you'll note, if you go to this section, upviral will tell you that the advanced settings are recommended for advanced users. You can run an entire campaign without adjusting these settings that we are about to work with. However, they are understandable and will add to the success of your campaign, so we will go through them. Now, the first set of advanced settings you're going to have are going to be tracking codes. So if you want to place some kind of tracking code like Google Analytics on one of your pages, you can do so on the lead capture page, and you're going to copy your code into this area. You can do the same thing for your lead capture page in terms of your footer. You can set up your referral tracking domain, and this is the domain in which upviral will use to generate personal invite links for the individuals participating in your campaign. And you can determine what that tracking domain is going to be. You can use those that are set up by upviral, which are the first two that you see here, or you can use your custom domain. We're going to use our custom domain. We can do the same thing that we did with the lead capture page with the social share page. We can set up tracking codes in the header and in the footer. And we can set up our custom domain, or we can use those that are set up by upviral. And when the campaign is closed, we can dictate how the page is going to look. The default page has the closed campaign preview on the right. We can change that to a custom page, and we can customize our page based on these templates. We can also, when the campaign is closed, redirect an individual to a specific URL. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to use the default page. And now that we have completed our tracking codes, we can then click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.